ViewSonic.
Hi, this is Eric from ViewSonic. Are you looking for a touch monitor for your Windows 8 experience? ViewSonic has several options available now, and in our commitment to lead the way for tomorrow's computing, many more are on the horizon. Today we're featuring the ViewSonic TD2220 multi-touch monitor. It delivers superior display quality with features such as an LED panel, Eco Mode for energy savings, and 2 USB ports for your peripherals. But first, we're here to show you why the TD2220 is an excellent choice for Windows 8. It is so easy to stay connected with the news, the financial markets, and even the weather. The TD2220 will give you a smooth and fast browsing experience on an amazing 21.5-inch touchscreen. Just swipe and click. Tired of opening different tabs in your browser? Simply swipe back and forth and never lose track of your web pages. The TD2220 allows you to be more creative than ever. Show your artistic side with a few drawings of your own, or share holiday pictures in a snap. When it comes to weekend fun, huddle around and play all your favorite games. Wouldn't it be nice to have dual monitors for multitasking? You can be more productive and have a little fun at the same time. Now you can work on office files on one side and browse through travel or your favorite entertainment on the other. The ViewSonic TD2220 multi-touch monitor delivers excellent screen performance to maximize your touch experience. ViewSonic's TD2220 is great for Windows 8. Order yours today.
ViewSonic.